Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shiba Fatima, PG Scholar, Department of Medicine from Luqman Unani Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, Vijyapura. Today I want to talk to you about a very serious problem, that is drug addiction, as a part of awareness with Indian program Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyaan. What is drug addiction? Drug addiction means a person cannot stop taking drugs even if they know it is harmful. It is a disease that can destroy lives, families and communities. There are two main forms of addiction. One is substance addiction, another one is behavioral addictions. Substance addiction contains alcohol, caffeine, cannabis, sleeping pills, benzodiazepines, barbiturates, inhalants like aerosol sprays, gases, nitrites, opioids, codeine, oxycodone and heroin, stimulants like cocaine, smoking cigarettes and electronic cigarettes, that is vaping. What is the most common addiction? That is alcohol addiction. Now see behavioral addictions. It contains betting game, bad eating habits, stealing, kidnapping, having sex, watching pornography, dirty videos, video gaming, using the internet. Common reasons which initiate drug addiction, that is to get pleasurable feelings, to escape from negative emotions, to escape from trauma, to escape from physiological pain, to shift mental health issues like depression or anxiety, to escape from life pressure, curiosity, people's influence and the desire to fit in socially, family factors, genetic factors, environmental factors like drug availability, lack of family supervision and support. Let's see common signs: inability to stop, increased tolerance, focus on addiction, lack of control, personal and health problems and withdrawal symptoms. Let's see how drug addiction hurt people. Drug can damage important body parts like the heart, liver and lungs, even death from overdose. Pregnant women who use drugs can harm their babies. Addiction can break families. It causes trouble at work or school, make money problem worse. It can also lead to getting into trouble with the law. People with addiction often do dangerous things like driving, which put us in difficulty. Addiction can make people feel lonely, hopeless and lost. If addiction is not treated, these problems usually get worse. Addiction can cause feelings like sadness, worry, confusion. It can make your brain work poorly. It changes how you act and even cause mental illness. Let's see how to get rid from drug addiction. You need to follow some important steps. Make a strong decision and plan to stop using drugs. Let your body clear out from drugs safely, often with medical help. Talk to counselors. Join therapy groups to understand why you use drugs and learn ways to avoid them. Sometimes doctors give medicine to help reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms. Spend time with people who do not use drugs and join support groups like Narcotic Anonymous. Recovery takes time, so keep attending therapy and support groups to avoid going back to drugs. If you have problems like anxiety, depression, take their medicine because such problems can lead to drug abuse. Build healthy habits like exercise, good food and enough rest that helps in recovery. The Indian government is actively working to prevent drug abuse through programs like the National Action Plan for Drug Demand Reduction, that is NAPDDR, and the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyaan. It includes awareness programs in schools and communities, setting up de-addiction and rehabilitation centers, counseling and treatment services, a national helpline support for NGOs and local participants, training for healthcare or social workers. The government follows a zero tolerance policy towards drug abuse, financial support in prevention treatment and rehabilitation. Thank you.